Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 X3 2.8i. It's an inline six-cylinder, all-wheel drive. The colors of Vermilion Red Metallic, and it has a two-tone interior. It's black with Oyster seats and door panels. Body's in beautiful condition. It's not dinged or scratched. The wheels are excellent. Has brand new all-season tires. Power seats on both sides. They are heated. This has the optional premium wood trim. It's beautiful. You really have to see it in person to appreciate it. Has the panorama roof with a power shade, rain sensing windshield wipers, automatic climate control. The rear seats will fold down flat. Let's another look at the panorama roof. Has the power tailgate. It's got the parcel cover. The side mirrors are power. This has the comfort access. It's an option. It's for locking and unlocking without the key, and as well as the ignition. To lock it, just hold your finger down and it locks the vehicle. And to unlock it, just grab the handle. It unlocks. When you get in the vehicle, just put your foot on the brake and push the ignition button. That's it. This has parking sensors. It'll beep as you get closer to an object. Front and rear. Even has the owner's manual built into the computer, so you can bring that up at any time. 6-disc CD player in dash. Has a leather wrapped steering wheel, and it's heated. Here's a look at the side mirrors. That's the folding side mirrors. And maybe I can give you a look at the power shade. There it goes. And naturally the roof opens automatically as well. Here's another look at the wood grain. Well maintained, drives excellent, really nice color combination. Thank you for your time, and give us a call to set up a time to view this vehicle.